I'm Suraj Prasad. I'm a BTech graduate from IIT Patna, and I've been associated with askIITians for the past 4 years as a chemistry faculty. Today we're gonna learn the chapter P block elements, which is considered as one of the most important chapters of inorganic chemistry, because obviously this chapter is so large that questions are definitely gonna come from this chapter, because this chapter consists of total 6 groups starting from 13 to 18. So I'll be discussing what we have to study in this chapter P block elements one by one, starting from the introduction, where these P block elements are there in the periodic table, and then I will tell you about the properties of the P block elements. With every group I will have one more part, like suppose I will have boron family, then their compounds, carbon family and their compounds, nitrogen family and their compounds, oxygen family and their compounds, halogens family and their compounds, and at last I will be teaching you the noble gases family and their compounds. So these are the 6 main groups, major groups of P block elements of the periodic table, and they are in the periodic table. If you see, they are kept at the right hand side of the periodic table. Also, I will, in the last part of mine, I will be discussing you something about the questions which have asked already in JEE on this topic of P block. So stay tuned with me for that. Hello students, so today we're going to learn P block elements. So here let's start first with what topics we have to cover with the introduction part. So the first topic which we need to cover is obviously the introduction, that what is actually P block, how many elements it consists of, which group number comes under the P block. Then we will learn the properties of P block elements. The properties of P block elements. They may be physical properties, they may be chemical properties. So different properties, and also we will learn here diagonal relationships also, like we did in S block elements. So here also we will observe those kind of things in properties. Next topic is we are going to learn the first family of P block, that is your boron family. Okay, start with the 13th group, and then we will learn about aluminium extraction. Then we will learn about the aluminium extraction. So aluminium being one of the most useful element, okay, its extraction process will be dealt here. Then the carbon family. It is the one element which has made a beautiful subject, organic chemistry, possible, right? So this also comes under the P block only. And the compound which we have to study in that carbon family is your silica, silicates, silicones and all. So this is also one of the important component of glass. Then we are going to learn the nitrogen family, and its compounds, Then the most vital element for us, that is your oxygen family. So what it is? Vital element, oxygen.